In the crowded marketplace, it's all about differentiating yourself. Today, we're exploring how to define a unique value proposition, or UVP. First, let's talk about industry analysis. Imagine you're Netflix entering the streaming industry. They examined the market, saw the need for on-demand streaming, and created a new market space. Just like Netflix, you must examine your industry to understand where you fit and how you can stand out. Netflix didn't compete in the saturated red ocean, they created a blue ocean where they dominated. Next, leveraging your strengths. Take Apple, for example. They identified their design and innovation strengths, which resonated with the tech-savvy target market. By focusing on what they do best, they became industry leaders. And now, the blue ocean strategy. Cirque du Soleil took the circus industry by storm. They created a blue ocean by merging circus and theater, offering a unique and unforgettable experience. Instead of competing in a red ocean circus marketplace, they ventured into uncharted waters. Solopreneurs, differentiate yourself by analyzing your industry, leveraging strengths, and considering the blue ocean. Be the Netflix, Apple, or Cirque du Soleil of your niche. Defining your UVP is the compass that guides your brand to success. Follow for more.